Welcome to the Keyboard Deck Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today's September by American funk outfit Earth, Wind and Fire. The song was released as a single in 1978 and it was included in the Best of Earth, Wind and Fire Volume 1, released later in the same year. The song was written by Maurice White, Al McKay and Ali Willis. It's classed as soul, R&B, disco, funk, whatever you like. I'm not sure who plays the keyboards. Could be Larry Dunn, an early member of the group, or possibly David Foster, perhaps the both of them. From what I can hear, there's acoustic piano and Fender Rhodes playing. I concentrate on the acoustic piano part. It's the most significant part. It's quite bouncy, it's fun to play. The chords do move about a bit, but it gets easier the more you play it. The song is in the key of A. As usual, I will leave a link to a basic chord sheet and song arrangement in the description box below. If you find these videos helpful, please remember to like, share and subscribe. And remember to hit the notification button for notifications of instant uploads. So here's an example of how I might play it.